Hello everyone, it's Dan Toombs, the Curry Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really fast coriander and chili chutney. Absolutely delicious. In fact, I'm not just going to show you how to make the chutney, I'm going to show you how to make that into a nice raita, which is good on other things. So, it's so easy and straightforward. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to toast about a teaspoon or so of cumin seeds. And as those toast, I'm going to start filling my blender with a good large bunch, as you can see. It's just a big bunch of coriander. Chilies. I used about 2 finger chilies, the small chilies that you get at the shops there. 2 of those. These are still toasting away. And they're just now ready. They just have to feel a little bit warm. Otherwise you don't want to burn them. So you just take those off the heat. And I'm going to put those in there. It just brings out the flavors, the flavor of the cumin by roasting it. It smells so nice. Turn that off. And then I'm going to add about the juice of 1 lemon. You could also use lime, lime. This is lime. So I'm just going to put as much of that in there as I can. Just get a really good squeeze. And that. And then this is just 2 cloves of garlic, which I've cut up a little bit. Now I know from experience I'm going to need a little bit of water in this, otherwise with my blender it's just not going to blend. So I'm going to just put about 25 milliliters in there, so I might need to top it up, we'll see. Take it over here to the blender. All right, then nice thin chutney there. Really nice on dosas or kebabs. I'm only going to fill this half full because we'll add a little bit of salt. Stir that in there. See, that's spot on. It's really nice. Now, with that, you can also make it into a raita. This is just plain yogurt, which I've whipped up a bit. And you put as much in as you want. That would be enough to just kind of give it a nice whiter flavor if you wanted to. If you want something really yogurty, add a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to do here. Stir that in. And you'll see from my cookbook, this is actually in my second cookbook, that sometimes you'll see this same raita and be quite light, and that's just because there's more yogurt in it. For what I'm doing today, this is perfect. Really good, as you can see, really easy. Give it a go. Thank you very much for watching my channel, watching this video. Hope to see you back here, and hope you subscribe as well. It'd be really good if you would. And let's get some chili here. Guys, thank you very much for watching.